It's week 2.
Coming up this week.
Maureen from Mommy Mo Designs shares her favourite hatch tools with us.
On the Wilcom blog, we have a music video entirely made in Embroidery Studio.
And on the needle bar, Justin and Jeff are showing how to digitise for caps with a free design giveaway.
I'll be taking you through another Hatch Academy live where we're going to talk about our luxury 3D in the hoop key fobs course.
And then on the Wilcom YouTube channel, we have Jill Cox interviewed by Alice Afra on her creative process.
And then on Friday, we'll be rounding it out with one of our Fun Friday videos.
So, Susan, tell me, what are you looking forward to most this week?
Well, I'm lucky. I got a sneak peek at the interview that Alice has done with Jill, and oh my gosh, it is so much fun, creative, inspiring. You're going to want to just jump into your embroidery and just go for it. So it's really great. I'm really looking forward to seeing it again.
Awesome. Yeah. We'll see you there.
Bye.